If you are managing a WooCommerce subscriptions website, you might be wondering how many plugins you should use and which ones are essential. Today, we're going to dive into optimizing your website with the right plugins without overloading it. First, let's talk about the number of plugins. There's no magic number, but here's a good rule of thumb. Use as few plugins as necessary. Each plugin you add can affect your site's performance and security. Aim to keep your plugin count under 20 if possible, but remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have a few well-maintained, high-quality plugins than a lot of poorly coded ones. Website performance is crucial for user experience and SEO. According to Google, 53% of mobile site visitors leave a page that takes longer than 3 seconds to load. Each plugin you install adds extra requests and processing time to your server, which can slow down your website. For example, let's look at a case study by WP Engine. They found that a WordPress website with 10 active plugins had an average load time of 1.8 seconds, while a site with 30 active plugins had an average load time of 3.2 seconds. This shows that excessive plugins can significantly slow down your website. Multiple plugins can also pose security risks. Each plugin is a potential entry point for hackers. A study by Security revealed that 39% of hacked WordPress sites were compromised due to vulnerabilities in outdated and poorly maintained plugins. So it's essential to use well-maintained plugins from reputable developers and keep them updated. That being said, there are 5 types of plugins you need with your WooCommerce subscriptions website: Page Builder, Performance, Payment, PageRank, and Platform. Let's start with Page Builders. A good page builder can make designing your site much easier and more visual appealing. Elementor is one of the most popular page builders for WordPress. It offers a drag and drop interface, a variety of templates, a wide range of widgets to customize your site without any coding knowledge. Canvas Blocks is another excellent option, especially if you are looking for a lightweight solution. It integrates with the Gutenberg editor and offers advanced customization options to create complex layouts easily. Regardless of what you choose, use one page builder. You will not find a perfect solution, so choose one and stick with it. Next, let's talk about performance. There are 2 areas that can affect your website's performance: media and server requests. Here is what I recommend. Use ShortPixel for compressing and optimizing your images, and WP Rocket for caching. ShortPixel is a powerful image optimization plugin. It compresses your images without losing quality, which helps your site load faster. Also, it converts your images into WebP or AVIF formats, which offer better image quality at smaller file sizes. WP Rocket is a comprehensive caching plugin that can significantly boost your site's speed. It's user-friendly and includes features like page caching, cache preloading, e-commerce optimization, browser caching, and lazy loading. All of this will both cache your pages and reduce the number of requests when a page loads. For handling payments, especially with WooCommerce subscriptions, you need reliable plugins. So you probably need at least WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. If you want to offer PayPal payment option, you will need a plugin for that too. To rank for search engines, you don't need a plugin. Just make sure you have the discourage search engines from indexing this site unselected. But having an SEO plugin on your website can definitely help. The one that I use and recommend is Rank Math. It's user-friendly and includes features like keyword optimization, sitemaps, and rich snippets. It also provides detailed SEO analysis and recommendations. You have to capture leads and nurture leads and customers. It's far easier to sell to an existing customer than to a cold audience. So you have to connect your WooCommerce subscriptions website to your CRM or email marketing tool. Most reputable brands like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, or MailChimp have their own WordPress plugins. You can find them on their official websites, or you can search for them under the plugins section of your website. And there you have it. These are the essential plugins to use with your WooCommerce subscriptions website. Remember, the key is to balance functionality with performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you would like to be covered next.